Okay, this is our smart lubrication system, LUG422, and it consists of two outlets, outlet 1.1 and outlet 2.1, and it has a housing here with the oil pack inside, and 3 springs on the top with a black pressure plate over here. Next, we move on to the side. Here you can see that there's a handset over here for the socket, and 24 DC power supply. Okay, we move on to this, and this lubricator has 4 outlets here, and this is our LUG424. We can see that there's a lubricator cover on the top, and that obviously the oil pack has been removed, and this is the insert where you have to align when you place the oil packs. Sorry. And when we open the lubricator, you can see that there are 2 pumps, pump 1 and pump 2. And there's two pistons, sorry. One push of the piston will push about 0.15 centimeter cube, or which is equivalent to 0.15 ml. And it will push forward in this manner if I set it 2 times. So you push from 1.1 here, and then later you will push 1.2 here, and that's demonstrate with the connection of the power and handset. Sorry, handset here. Okay, this is this is the handset display screen. You will because here we did not set any password, so you can just press enter to go to the next page. And this is this first page of the mode selection, which if the user wants us to use the PLC mode, you can select 0. If you like to use the handset mode, you can select 1. And this is, with a P1, pump 1 cycle and motion, and pump 2 cycle and motion. So we move on to the next page. This is this handset will take the whole lubricator, consumes about 24 DC power supply, and here is a display screen of P1 with the cycles, the number of cycles which the lubricator already run, and this is timer countdown for the P1 pump, and so as for the P2 cycle and timer. And we have a language setting here. Currently we have only English and Chinese. English, you press 0, and we go to the next page. And here's a password setting for the operating code. And usually you need this when you have a manufacturer setting. And currently it is on 0, which is not active. And if you press 1, it will be activated. Next screen. Sorry. And here is the error messages for the whole system when it's been on continuous running, and it's all recorded here if it suddenly pauses. Okay, we are going to set for an example here that using the handset mode, going down 1 minute 2 times.
你没有按 set， 它还是 BLC 吗？给。
Sorry. 1 minute.
Yes.
2 times.
Set.
Set. And then we go to the page down. This timer is counting down to 1 minute, and it will activate piston 1.1 and also 1.2, which is about 0.3 ml. And let's wait for the. Here it pushes the piston forward, and 1.1 will push about 0.15, and then followed by the second, the 1.2, and it will push out here, and it will stop again. And actually you can see the display screen that here will show that 1.1 is moving and 1.2 is also moving. Okay, here we'll move on to setting, say we want pump 2 to be activated also, say, sorry, 2 minutes, 3 times. And let's wait to the page down, first page down, and here will count down 2 minutes, and now it's 1 minute. But pump 1 will be activated because it's counting out already 1 minute. And we probably have to wait for another minute. Because both are all 1 minute. So later pump 1 will be activated first, and then followed by pump 2. And as you can see, pump 1.1 piston pushes forward. That's about 0.15, and then later pump 1.2 pushes another 0.15. And pump 2 is now activated, 0.15 here. And another 0.15 from this piece, from here. And another time from 2.2 outlet here.